Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we are doing a Gunkan Maki at home, and the main ingredient for this are rice, salmon, tuna, crab, shrimps, lobster, avocado, cream cheese, mango, cucumber, and caviar. Alright, so let's make some Gunkan Maki. The first one we want to do is with the spicy mayo and the fresh salmon. So here we have 1 cup of creepy Japanese mayonnaise. Now we need to put 2 tablespoons of sriracha. 1 and 2. Let's put 2 tablespoons of honey.
Honeybee.
Yeah.
That's some honey.
1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now we mix.
Wow.
And now we will pour this in the squishy bottle.
Wee. Yes.
Okay, so next step is the fresh salmon, and I like to use those. Is frozen, and you just put it in cold water, unfroze it, and it's ready to use. It's already cut to tartare size.
And then we put that there.
Yes, go ahead. Put about 2 tablespoons.
I will mix it too.
You want to mix it like this?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Now, Sissy, it's time to make the base for the Gunkan Maki. So you take 1 sheet of nori, you wet your hands,
And put it.
no, you take the rice, make a ball,
I did the ball.
yeah, and press it hard so it will stick together.
I press it hard.
Make a shape like this. We'll shape the nori
I make the ball.
around it, just like
Make
this.
the ball.
Yeah. So Sissy,
What?
now that we have the base here, we will put the salmon. What is it?
I don't know.
It's little fish eggs. You want to taste? It's salty. You good? Just a little bit. That's way too much.
No.
Okay. Ta-da! Here. So this is our first Gunkan Maki. Let's do it.
What is that?
It's fish eggs.
Fish eggs? I
Yeah.
don't like that.
You just tasted it. You liked it.
Oh.
Alright, so the next Gunkan Maki will be with the fresh tuna and
Fish tuna.
yeah, and wakame salad,
Yeah.
mango.
Mango.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah. Are we going to make some sushi?
Yes. So now, Sissy, look at this. We take the cucumber and we wrap the rice around, just like this. Alright, so let's make a very easy one here with the cucumber slice and the rice, and put some nice fish eggs here. Alright, so while Sissy is doing her sushi, let's make our filling. So again, with the pre-cut fresh salmon. I love those. Put this here and put the same quantity of smoked salmon. And with this, we'll put
No, it's enough.
a nice red avocado.
Avocado.
This one is nice, huh?
There's a big seed. I
Yes.
want to pick it up.
You need to do it like this to remove it. Here we go.
I want. the little seed.
This is a cooking channel, not a gardening channel, Sissy. Is she gun planting it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so again with the cucumber wrapper. Alright, so now the rice is wrapped. Let's put just a teaspoon of cream cheese and then put the filling on top. Just like this. Alright, so this is very simple. It's lobster and caviar. Just like this. Yummy. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and learned a little something today. If so, please leave a like and share it with your friend. And see you in the next episode.